يا أيها الذين آمنوا ادخلوا في السلم كافة. Oh, you who believe, enter into Islam completely, without picking and choosing. And the warning that has come in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 85. أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض? Will you pick and choose from our book, believing in some parts and rejecting the rest? For those among you who behave like this, their only sentence shall be disgrace and humiliation in this worldly life, and on the day of resurrection they will be thrown into the most intense torment, for Allah is never unaware of their actions. Allah is not unaware, not heedless of what you are doing. You cannot deceive Allah with the length of your beards. You cannot deceive Allah by keeping your trousers above the ankles, pretending that you are a true follower of the Prophet,